Hello, my name is Swan and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how to make this 3D Origami Swan. It is a very beautiful model and it is made for large pieces. I will try in future to make more tutorials with large pieces, 32 pieces like this from an A4 piece of paper. It is a very beautiful model and I hope you like it. Let's start. For this model we need white 3D origami pieces. These are large pieces. You will obtain 32 pieces like this from an A4 piece of paper. And these pieces are made from this rectangular of paper, 5.2 by 3.6 centimeters. And I will show you very quickly how I make a 3D origami piece. If you are a beginner and you do not know how to cut this paper, and if you do not know how to make these 3D origami pieces, please look in the description of the video. You will find there a couple of tutorials. Now you can see there is a difference between these two 3D origami pieces, and now I will use 5 or 6 pieces connected together in a row. Put the edges in the pockets, push, and then with your finger or with a pen give a nice round shape like this. I recommend you all to learn to make 3D origami pieces like this. It is very easy to work with them and the model will look very beautiful. Now let's start. First I will show you how I glue. I use a paper solid stick glue. I put some glue inside the pockets and then connect with other pieces like this. I recommend you to glue all the pieces. It is very important to glue. Okay, and now we connect first 7 pieces. 4 pieces in the first row and 3 in the second like this. Next we will glue the 4 pieces in the fourth row like this. And we wait 2, 3, maybe more, maybe 5 minutes for these pieces to glue very well. Next we increase the number of pieces in a row. We will double it. Now we have 4 pieces and we increase to 8. We put 1 piece here between these 2 pieces from the previous row, and then we put 2 pieces above, and in this way we increase with 1 piece in the next row. Do not forget to glue very well these rows. Now increase again and 2 pieces above. Increase. And we increase for the last time. And now we have 8 pieces in the last row. Now we have 8 pieces and we put an entire normal row. Normal row, 2 edges in 2 pockets, like this. Very simple. We complete the entire row. little advice, when you increase the number of pieces in a row, especially when we double the number, I recommend you to wait a couple of minutes between each row. You glue a row, wait a couple of minutes, and then next row, because here will be a lot of pressure on these couple of pieces. Now we have again 8 pieces, and we increase to 16. We double the number of pieces. In the same way, we put one piece here between these two pieces from the previous row, and then we connect two normal pieces above. And we repeat until we finish the row. Increase, increase again. Increase. And now we increase for the last time, and the last two pieces above. And now we have 16 pieces in this last row. Next, we will let space for the neck. We put one piece like this, normal piece, and then we put one inverted in these two edges here, and we repeat on the other side like this. And here will be the neck of our swan. And then now we complete the rest of the row with normal pieces. Here we let an edge free, and we put normal pieces. And again here we have a free edge. Next we will close here. We put this edge and this one in one normal piece like this, and we repeat on the other side again, this edge and this edge. And now we complete the rest of the row with normal pieces. Next, here where we have the neck, these inverted pieces, we put one piece in first edge here, like this. We increase with one piece here, and with one piece in the other side. Again, one piece in this edge. And then we complete the rest of the row with normal pieces. Like this. Next, we increase a little bit this neck. We put one inverted piece here and another one here, where we have the inverted pieces from before, like this. And next, here we let an edge free, and then we go with normal pieces. Fourteen normal pieces, and then here we have again an edge free, like this one on the other side. Do not forget to. Now we put one piece in these two edges, like this. And we repeat on the other side again, this edge here and the first one there. And this is the neck. And then we complete the rest of the row with normal pieces. Like this. Next, we let again first edge free here, and we put normal pieces. Like this, and then we close here. We put this edge and this one in one piece. We repeat here again these two edges, and the rest of the row complete with normal pieces. Try to alternate the direction of the rows. If you put a row in this direction like this, the next row put the pieces on the other direction, like this. It is important to change the direction of the row. If you put all the rows starting from one direction, the pieces have a little deviance. Like this. Next we put one piece here in first edge with a free pocket there, and you repeat in the other part, and then the rest of the row will be normal white pieces like this. Like this. Next we will close here, and I connect three pieces like this, one piece in the first row and two pieces in the second row, and then we put this pocket free here on this edge and this one on the other one, on the other side. This is a little harder. Like this. And now we close here in the back of the neck. Here will be the neck. Now we complete the rest of this row with normal white pieces like this. Like this. Next we put 4 normal rows like this. Now put another 3 rows. I finish all these rows, and now we have in total 6 rows after the neck. 6. And then we put another 4 normal rows, 4. And try to alternate the direction of the row. If you put a row in this direction, the next row we go on the other direction, like this. put another 2 rows. In total we will have 10 rows after the neck here. I finish all these rows and now we have 10 normal rows after neck here. And now we put one piece here on the same line with this piece here, on the middle of the back of our swan, on the same line. I hope you can see. And then we put 5 pieces in this direction. And another 5 here. In total 11 normal pieces. Next we put 10 pieces above the 11 from the previous row. We have one free edge there, and then we put 10 pieces. Like this. Now we will change a little bit the model. Here where we put the last 2 rows, we put one piece here and another one above, and again on the other side. Like this. We have 13 pieces in the first row and 12 pieces in the second. Like this, and we have only 3 pieces empty here. And now we decrease with another piece. We put here, we let one edge free. Eleven pieces, like this. Next we put 10 pieces in the next row. Next, now we have 10 pieces here, and next we put 9 pieces. Next row we put 8. Next we put 7. And then 6. And now we have 6 pieces here.